YAMUNA Ghat in Delhi, especially near Ghat, becomes a major winter destination through November to March every year for thousands of migratory birds, primarily Siberian SEHULLS, fleeing cold climates, creating a spectacular scene as they flock around boats for food, especially at sunrise, offering a unique bird-watching and photography spot with locals feeding them namkeen. The Siberian seagulls are the most prominent and numerous visitors here, known for their bold nature. Apart from them, other species are like waders, ducks, gulls, herons, egrets, cormorants, wagtails, larks and pipits can also be spotted. Best season is in the winter months, from late November to March. In the early mornings, especially around sunrise, between 6 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. is the ideal time to visit the place. Locals and the visitors in boats offer fried snacks, leading to large flocks swooping and swirling. This place is close to Kashmir Gate and Red Fort metro stations.